Good morning, afternoon, evening or night, depending on when you're looking at this. The purpose of this video is to help you with your end of the year checklists. Now, if you're able to do your end of the year checklists very well, and if all of your information comes to us in an organized manner, it will save us time preparing your accounts, therefore will save you money. So how can you do your end of the year accounts well? Well, easily. You start by clicking on the link in the email and it's taken you to this page here where you just need to put in your name and then your email address and then click Take Me to the checklists. Now we have all of the previous year's checklists right back to 2010, so if you need some of those older ones, you can have access to them here. Inside of here, for most of you, you're going to be focusing in on the 2014 business or trust checklist and the personal checklists. The others are, of course, if you have a rental property or a farming checklist, for those of you with farms. You will need to fill in a business or trust checklist for each entity that you need end of the year accounts done for. Now this is by far the most involved and it's the longest, it's 14 pages. So let's have a look at this one as an example. Click on the business or trust checklist, and if you're using Internet Explorer, it will come up with the choices to open or save the PDF somewhere. If you click save, we recommend you save as and then make it somewhere very obvious that you know where to get it again, like the desktop. So if you do that, click save, Internet Explorer will then offer to open it for you as well once it's downloaded. Select open and you come to the very first page. Here, of course, you need to name your business, company or trust so that we can locate it and give us the IRD number. Page 1 is a summary or overview of which of the following pages you'll actually need to fill out. Some of these you won't need to give us at all, and some of these you will. An example of that is on the next page, the cash book in manual or computerized format. Of course, if you have a manual cash book, you won't need to give us access to the computer format of your cash book for the year. This year too, we've also included cloud or internet-based accounting programs as they take on popularity. There is a note there. Make sure that you do read the notes. They do make your life easier and our life easier as well, and stop that back and forth between us just for general admin things, which of course saves us time, therefore saves you money. There is an extra page for those of you who may have a holiday home and have used it both personally and rented it out. So if that affects you, there is an extra page this year. Then the important part for us is to make sure that on the terms of engagement you have signed the panel giving us authorization to do your accounts this year. If you don't sign this, we actually need to send the checklist back to you, so please make sure that you sign it. Following that, there's just some schedules and rosters, asset registers, things like that you may or may not need to fill out depending on your entity. If you do have any questions about the checklist or your end of the year accounts, please call us, email us, we're very happy to help you. If you set about 1 page a day to fill out, you'll have all of your end of the year information to us within a month. If you have extra information that's not covered in the checklist, you can check that it's relevant with us by either attaching a note, emailing us, calling us, and we're very happy to direct you there. We want to make sure that you pay not 1 extra cent of tax that you should. So the more attention that you give to the end of the year checklists, the more attention we can give to the real nitty-gritty of your accounts and making sure that you pay the exact amount of tax you owe and not 1 cent more. Thank you.